Today, we're walking along Bastugatan, one of Södermalm's most historic streets. In fact, Bastugatan is believed to have the oldest surviving street naming on Södermalm, dating back to at least 1602. That's pretty cool. The name comes from the bathhouses, or badstugor in Swedish, that once stood down by the water below Maria Mountain. It's a beautiful summer day today. And surprisingly, Södermalm has a lot of hills, a lot of up and downs. There's Katgren, and this is where Montelius wagon starts. Popular destination for tourists. It's easy to forget that you're actually in the middle of the capital, a capital city when you're walking here. Bastugatan was already mentioned in documents for more than 400 years ago. Over the centuries, the spelling changed several times before becoming what we today call Bastugatan. This Timmermansgatan. If you follow it down a little bit here, you can see a beautiful view over Stockholm. Let me zoom in a little bit there. Stunning. And equally stunning are all the stairs. Now these are some of the classic wooden houses that the working class people lived in back then. This one seems to be renovated a few times. Looks pretty fresh. I bet this would be a quiet street to live on. In the head of a cat. Okay. Fun. Fun fact, in the winter time, when all the snow falls here and this place gets icy and snowy, the snow plows or snow removal machines never get up here. So what some people do actually go skiing here, down this hill. Pretty cool, actually. So this is the downhill I was talking about. You actually can't see the incline on the video, but it's very steep actually. I forget going up this in winter time. God. Look at the cobblestone. Check out this bridge. Now this is cool. I wonder where this goes. Oh yeah. So, my question to you guys is, if you could choose one place to live in Stockholm, would you pick the waterfront views of Berget or Maria Mountain, or a lively cafe street around Maria Torget? Let me know in the comments. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye.